Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Christine Giselle and I share videos on motherhood and lifestyle. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys another part of my series that I created called Clutter to Clean. I'm going around all the rooms in my house and decluttering and organizing. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my daughter's room. I'm going to be going through her drawers and her closet, which is the most disorganized part of her room because her room is not dirty, it's just decluttered and unorganized. So if you guys like videos like this, please continue to watch to the end. I already shared with you guys my closet organization and I'll share that playlist up above. But if you're looking to get your home decluttered and organized as well, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this in this series. So let me get right into it. Okay guys, so this is her dresser. It's pretty small, which is probably why it does get a little cluttered, as well as I really need to go through like all her stuff that she has in here. So I'll show you guys the drawers. I do have some dividers, but I think I'm going to switch up how I actually put things in there. And then right here, I'm actually going to put in some new laundry, which is why I wanted to make sure everything is organized. And that's how I store her clothes. So as you can see, it's just starting to get really messy and I just want to handle that. So let me walk you over to her closet. Her closet is not that big. It's a sliding closet. So that's another reason why I have trouble storing things. So I have this little hanging organizer, which, you know, we use, but it's not how I want it to look. And then up here, I have some bins. Yeah, it's a mess, guys. So definitely need to clean that up. And then I bought this thing, which is like a cube organizer that hangs her clothes as well, because the bar I was just getting, I wanted some more space, but I need to fix that up. And then she has some space down here that I can work with. Let me show you guys the other side. And this is the other side. So I have this little organizer here, which I want to get rid of. I have some toys down here. All her hanging clothes, it's as you can see, it's starting to get, yeah, messy, unorganized. And then I bought these bins from Target, but I can only find 3. So I'm missing one, which I'm not thrilled about, but I bought some other organizers as well. I have her toys here, and then up here, it's pretty bad. So I have like some toys she got. I've been saving like recycled products to do DIYs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Marie Kondo it and I'm going to just take everything out of the closet. So let me get right into that now.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away. Get up, do it, break away. Get up, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. this is beautiful. Yeah, about time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done.
Okay guys, so I finished the drawers. They look really good, and now all I have left are all these clothes that I decided that I want to actually put in her closet. So I'll probably organize that in the closet, like color coordinated or size coordinated. I'm not too sure yet. So that's everything I got.
And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I
Hey love, so it's the next day, toddler mom life. I wasn't able to finish everything yesterday, so I'm going to finish everything up today. So I just want to show you what exactly I have left and get right to it, because I only have like at least an hour and a half tops to get this done before my daughter has to go down for a nap and I have to run some errands. So let me show you what I have left. I still have the clothes and the bins that are gonna go inside the closet. I gotta organize how I'm going to put those outfits back in the closet. And then I have all these blankets that I have to figure out whether I'm gonna store in the closet or store somewhere else in her closet. And then over here, she got her little hands into it and made a little bit of a mess. And it's just like some like toys and activities that I don't know if I wanna keep here, because she does have a playroom.
Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to...
It loves, this is how the closet ended up turning out. I'm really happy with the outcome. It just looks so decluttered and clean now, and actually I'm able to store more things. So up there is able to store some extra like diaper changing things. Up here I have some books that she doesn't need, a doll that I'm saving that she got for Christmas that she's too little for, and then to the left I have like some baby blankets, some other baby stuff we don't need, headband, hats that she doesn't wear right now that I'm gonna save for another child. Right here I have some diapers neatly in there. I have her stuff for her changing table and sheets, and then I also have like some shoes that she doesn't wear right now that she's gonna grow into. Right here right now I just have some books for now, but I just love how like organized, neat it looks. And then here now it just looks so much better and less cluttered because I went through all the clothes and I kind of like coordinated how the outfit colors go. So I got the grays to the lights, and then over here, since they're like longer rompers, I kept that in the front because I didn't want it blocking. So if you guys can see right through here, I was able to store her little play mat that I used to use when she was little, that I got from IKEA, and then my Skip Hop diaper bag that I no longer use, so I'm able to keep that for my next child. And then right here I just have a basket where I might store some toys, and then she has some more toys right here, our Melissa and Doug toys. And then let me go on this side for you guys. And then next to the toys I have that little box with all her hats when she was little and hats she could wear now, a tray for her toys. And I just love how this ended up. Forgot what this is called, but it's like a hanging storage thing. I'm gonna keep like some of her jackets right here that she could hang. So I still have like some hanging space right here, as well as I still have a little bit right here. But I love how these boxes came out. I am gonna end up labeling them. The instructions actually came with a piece of paper that you can cut out and put here. So like in this box I have like some sentimental item that I could do for like scrapbooking, her baby book, etc. And then in this one I have like some puzzles and some flashcards. And then this one I have baskets for toy storage, and the rest of them are empty. So eventually when I figure out exactly what I'm gonna put in it, I'm gonna label them all with my Cricut Maker or the paper they gave me. But I am just really happy that I was able to use the vertical space, because this used to be down here. And eventually maybe I'll even get some baskets that could actually go on top of each other. But for now I worked with what I had, so I didn't have to spend that much money. And I'm very happy with how it ended up. So let me show you guys now her drawers. So I love how right here I was able to add some more of her laundry. I have her towels and all her wash rags, some extra receiving blankets. And here I have her diapers, because I didn't show you guys this because it was actually really organized. It's their like diaper changing area. So I have like her diapers, her Aquaphor, etc. And then down here is already organized with some extra Aquaphor, some more of those blue pads, a lot of stuff actually that I have here for her Munchkin diaper pair bags. Try saying that 3 times. So yeah, so that's organized right here. So her socks, her stockings. And then here I have all her little onesie pajamas, some more towels, and some more receiving blankets. Like I said, I have a lot of receiving blankets still because she does co-sleep. She doesn't even actually sleep in this room. She just kind of just like hangs out in here and plays and stuff. And down here I have most of her clothes. So I have her sweatpants, her little jeggings, her little skirt that I didn't want to hang up, or her little leggings right here in this IKEA organizer. And then I have all her little long sleeve to short sleeve shirts. So I really like how that came out, and everything is just all organized. All right, loves, well that's the end to this video. I hope you guys got some good inspiration and motivation to get your kiddos' rooms cluttered to clean as well. This was something that was well overdue, and I'm happy that I was able to put away some stuff and store it and donate and throw away things as well. So I hope you guys got some good ideas and that you're able to get cluttered to clean. And if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to see some more videos like this. Like I said earlier in the video, I plan on doing a lot of rooms in the rest of my house because I'm really trying to get everything decluttered and become more minimal all over my home, so that my mental could definitely feel more at ease when I'm looking around and trying to find things in my house. So I hope you guys are doing well, you're staying safe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.